Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, Mongo was over helping Cousin Charlie and found these two cast iron pans in the ground. So dug them up, because, why not? And boy, these things rough. Still got all the dirt on them, quite a bit of pitting. But Mongo always was told you never throw away cast iron. There's a website called The Lodge. They make, new cast iron. Evidently been making it for a super long time. And they said the same thing. You never throw away cast iron. Because it's always useful for something. Oh, there's a number 9 on this one. Don't know what that means. Probably means 9-inch skillet. Who knows? But they said it really easy to repair and fix. Mongo gonna give it a try and see if you really can fix up cast iron pans that are who knows what brand, who knows how old, but have been sitting in the ground for a long time. Oh, there's a word. National. Well, maybe we'll find out what it says. Well, this little pan come out real nice. Just a touch of surface rust left. But that one for sure savable. Got a nice little pan. Don't know who made it. Just says 10 on it. Probably for 10-inch griddle. This pan, though, it got all sorts of nasty pitting. Some of those pretty deep. Not sure if that one gonna be savable. Maybe not all cast iron pans savable. Just a touch of little debris surface rust on there. Now that we see it, National 9B. Whatever that means. Well, just get a teeny touch of vinegar here. Mostly because this rust ain't very bad at all. Just little itty bitty surface stuff, so we don't need to do any hardcore, wait a couple days thing. And then just little bronze or brass, whatever it is, just a little hand wire brush, and we'll spread that vinegar around and just get it all. This part Mongo do in the house. Get some nice warm water with the bubbles and the soap. And give these guys a little bit of a soaking. Not Not too long, but just let them soak and absorb some of the salt. Get all that junk off there. Well, get the barn stove out and get the oven preheated to 450 degrees. While that oven preheating, Mongo gonna use some very special oil to season the pans with. Vegetable oil. You know, good to get your vegetables. And so we'll just pour a little bit in there. Want to make sure to get the whole pan, and then we get some paper towels and just rub that oil all over into the pan. Now, of course, this one's full of pits, so we'll see how this turns out. Normally you want a nice, even, thin layer, you know, and then you put it in the oven for an hour, let it polymerize, and then repeat the process half a dozen times or something, and you got a good seasoned pan. But because of all this pitting, Mongo really not sure how well it's going to do. But we're going to find out together. Once the oven's up to temp, we'll go ahead and put the pan in. And Mongo got 2 pans, so I'm gonna try to do 2 at one time. Just make sure it's not like touching the sides or nothing. Not touching each other. So we'll do a timer. 1 hour. Well, when the timer done, Mongo shut it off. And let her open a bit. Just want to let it cool down for a little bit before we put another coat. Well, after 6 times seasoning, she's starting to come along. You can see those pits, they still there. Slowly starting to get filled in. Mongo actually going to call it quits there because it's going to take a lot of layers to get rid of all those pits. When you think about how much time you're going to have heating an oven, how many layers you gotta put on it. Probably gonna need a good 50 layers to get smooth. Mongos think that really not savable, but it's up to you. That one seemed to do just fine. Well, hopefully this video helped you. If you ever want to restore some cast iron, give it a try. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.